Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to convert text to speech using OpenAI ChatGPT and nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. This feature is particularly useful in situations when you need to respond to a user's message with an audio message or convert a user's message to an audio message. Let me show you how it is done. The text has been converted to speech. There you have it. You just learned how to convert text to speech using OpenAI ChatGPT in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.